Okay, so it says find the equilibrium quantity and equilibrium price for the commodity whose supply and demand functions are given. If you remember, you've done this already. You did it with linear though. Same with break-even points where you set the two equations equal and then solve for the variables. So you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to set supply equal to demand. The only problem is this is a little bit more difficult because these are not linear. So what you want to do is you want to get it in this form first, which simply means move everything to one side and set it equal to 0. And so now you can see that your A is 1, your B is 150, and then your C is negative 10,000. So you have everything that you need to plug this into the quadratic formula to solve for the quantity. All right, and so if I do that, I'm going to get negative 150 plus or minus the square root of 150 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 10,000. Hopefully I don't have too many zeros. And then 2 times 1. And I threw all that in my calculator. I can do a couple of extra steps here. I get 62,500 here. And then I square rooted that, which give me 250. And if you can divide both of these, you just have to be careful. If both of these will evenly divide 2, you can do that to make this a little bit nicer, and you get negative 75 plus or minus 125. Now remember what this means, the plus or minus, but a quantity is not going to be negative, so we just ignore that one, and we get our quantity of 50. And so pretty much that's what we were asked. And then to now find the actual price, we can use our negative 50 squared plus 10,000, and I get 7,500. So it's the same as solving even with break even, but you're going to need to use the quadratic formula to solve these.